Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you use MidJourney to create AI art. So let's get right into it. So for this to work, you need to go on over and have a Discord account. So make sure you have one, and we need to join the Discord server of MidJourney. So go on over and search for discord.gg/MidJourney here. So you can join this AI app. As you can see, I've now joined. So let's go on over to the app. Okay, so once you are here on the Mid Journey, make sure that you are joined on one of the servers here. So you just have to approve the Discord server prompt and you just have to join this. So once you're here, you just have to go on over to one of the newbie rooms here and there. So once you're in one of this, you just have to go on over and type in the / imagine, and this one you just have to click this, and in here you just have to type in what you want to create for the AI. So for me, I'll choose this one. So let's go on over here, and for this one to have a realistic look and a hyper quality look, so we have to go on over and type in the comma space hyper realistic. So be sure to take note of the format, guys, because this is how you can type it in. So go on over and comma again and 4K, and to go on over and have the best results again, you have to go on over and type in this one. So uh, --v, and go on over and type is in, because what this will do is it actually gives you the latest version of the Midjourney. So go on over and type in space, so --AR, and then 2:3. So this is the resolution of what you want to output it. So you have the option to type in 2:3, 1:1, or even 3:2. So this is all up to you guys. So for me, this is what I want. Once I'm done with that, you just have to press on enter here.